Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to resize or make the size bigger for your phone keyboard. So if you're using Gboard or Microsoft keyboard, I'm going to show you the both of the option to how to resize or increase the size of your keyboard. So don't worry. So this is the keyboard that I'm using. If your keyboard is similar to me, which is the Microsoft keyboard, you will have a settings option in the upper side, or if you don't have that, just tap on the three menu and you will have the settings option with the gear icon. Just tap on it, and here you have to find layout and keys, or if you don't have this layout and keys, you will have this resize option. So just tap on this resize. Now tap on this try your setup, and now you can drag and make this keyboard bigger like this. Also you can move the keyboard like this. So this is the one way you can make your keyboard bigger. You just have to tap OK, and now you can see this is very easily to tap. This is how the one way you can change or resize or make the bigger of keyboard on your Android phone. And the other keyboard, if you have the Gboard or the Google keyboard, also I'm going to show you that. Now here is the Gboard. If you have this keyboard on your phone, if you go to the settings option, you will not find the option to change your keyboard. So you just have to tap on this box icon in the left corner. As you can see, tap on this, and here you will find the option called resize. So tap on this resize option. Now you can make bigger of your keyboard, change the size. Also you can move with this icon, drag and drop, and you can just press down and your keyboard is now bigger. So that's it guys. This is the two way and the two keyboard that you can make the keyboard bigger on your Android phone. Unfortunately, this feature is not available on the iPhone. So that's it guys. This is how you can resize or make the keyboard bigger on your Android phone. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe, and thank you for watching.